best part of breaking parts on your old beat up truck is new tools. Woo, woo, woo. Sorry, no ninja roll today. Still feeling sick. Alright, but I gotta get out. So I'm gonna do the brake line right now. I'm just gonna remove the old piece from right here. Been juicing her. Not like Barry. But we're gonna. And then after we do this, we're gonna try to do this, replicate this line. Easy peasy, lemon squeezies. Got all these cool new tools. Got all these two new tools. Some people say I'm just breaking stuff to buy new tools. I don't know who got that idea. Silva. All right. This fitting has seen better days. I know I had a Ziploc. TikTok. Don't make me get blocked. That tasted horrible. Was there any initials, markings? Anything on the top? Nope. It was from that jungle website. You guys probably all heard of it. Before I go any further, let's see if we can make these to screw in. For sure these go on. For this, take off this plastic piece. I don't think I need it right now. Put this piece on 3/16 line. Pop that back, y'all. Pop that back, because you got arthritis. Arthritis, y'all. It drops it. Then we got a marker. Drop it like it's hot. Popping like a top. Right here, I'm gonna start bending. again. And this is like a S? Z? I don't know. That's okay. That's just valuables. That's another 90. There we go. I think I maybe did a little too hard. Yeah, that's good. I'm going to cut it down here because I'll have more to work with. More to twerk with. Hit me in the streets, young Matt Trill. You don't know me. Let me get this little cutter, brother. Look at that. That's okay. That's just irreplaceable. Huh? Cock? We have plenty of cock here. What'd you say again?
Too much cock.
Some say. You already took Frodo's balls. What do you want again? Caulking? It's a little bit of a hairline. Little piece hanging. Yeah. Oh, my tooth! There we go. Almost gotcha. Good nip. Good enough for who it is for. Let's flare it. That's all I need. More brake fluid on the ground. Perfect. This truck's leaking so much, you think he went to Taco Bell. You're doing it, Peter. You're doing it. We have a strict no power tools rule with Sarah. If you see what mayhem I see on a daily basis, you'd understand. And I gotta tell you, the little one, the curly one, 10 times worse. Bossy. Check.
Feral.
mean when she's hungry. Check. I've seen her make 2 grown men cry, and they were a Navy SEAL. One's in. I want to end it like a spider monkey. I just want that to be known. Getting serious. Gloves are off. You can see brake line finally in. Hopefully don't leak. Welcome back. Chose this angle because it makes my face look big as it can be. But I just want to give a quick update and recap on what we did. So we got the new hard line going. It was kind of a bear to get in, but it's all done now. I used a double flare that stopped the leaking, and then I put some gaseola on the thread. It can be used for ABS systems, so I'm pretty sure it can be used for this system since the system was a predecessor. All right, so that's all tying in well. Also, you noticed ground strap, alternator. I believe it's a 2-gauge wire all the way up to the back into the battery post with a 125 maxi inline fuse. I had to modify that case a little bit. I don't think it's supposed to look all jacked up on the edges and broken, but good enough for who it is. Pitter patter, we got after. Wired it to the back of the battery stud, and now alternator seems to be running a lot fine. Just need to tidy up all the wiring. Alright guys, see you next time. Subscribe, like. Hey, it's free.